Types of rock. Rocks are classed as igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, depending on how they were formed. Igneous rocks are formed from cooled magma. Extrusive igneous rocks are formed when magma spills out onto the surface and cools there, and they have a fine texture. When the magma cools very slowly, large hexagonal columns form like the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. Intrusive igneous rocks like granite occur when magma cools very slowly before reaching the surface. They have a coarse texture and form features like big domes of rock called batholiths. These are magma chambers that have cooled down slowly and then been exposed by erosion and tores. Tores are granite structures that have been worn down to leave large square blocks like the tores on Dartmoor. The way that igneous rock is formed affects its texture and shapes. Sedimentary rocks are formed from deposited particles. Sandstones, shales, and clays are made from tiny particles of sand or clay, eroded from past landscapes by wind and deposited in layers, for example, in the sea. Later, they are uplifted to a position above sea level. These layers of rock are called beds or strata, and they are separated by bedding planes. Limestone and chalk are formed from the remains of tiny shells and microskeletons. They are made of calcium carbonate and react with dilute acid. All rainwater, not just acid rain, is slightly acidic, so it weathers the rock. Coal is made from carbon-rich remains of tropical plants. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that are changed by heat or pressure. Metamorphic just means changed form. Igneous or sedimentary rocks can be changed by heat from magma or pressure from earth movements. The chemical composition of the rocks stays the same, but the new rocks are harder and more compact. Let's have a look at some formation of metamorphic rocks. Sandstone becomes quartzite, clays become slate, limestone becomes marble, and granite becomes gneiss.